So let's complete. So we said second, we should have a mediator for the group to facilitate the group, or sorry, to facilitate and guide the discussions. Two, ensure that everyone participates and stop everyone dominating. And, okay, this is finally, to make sure that the discussion doesn't go off. Finally, I can say third, I can say the third step. Okay. Finally, some
But I
basic.
think it's finally better, like
Yeah,
final.
exactly. Just to tell the listener, Ali, that this is the final point, the final tip, the final information. Okay.
Yeah,
Now, I need you to do something for me, Ali. Can you please read the summarization again?
just 1 second. Where did they go down? Can you go to the
Uh, can you see the screen I'm sharing?
no.
You can't. Okay, let me share it again. Wait.
Okay.
Wait, maybe I still have that problem. Let me share my screen again. What about now? Is it clear?
Yeah. Can you give like make a zoom out a little bit?
Zoom out.
Yeah, a little bit.
Zoom out. The line is going to be small. This is zoom out. Is it better?
Okay. Yeah.
But I'm afraid that the lines that I draw is not going to be
No
suitable.
problem. Just go back the same before.
Okay, I know. You can zoom the video in, Ali. If you are using your phone, you can zoom it in just to be able to see clearly. Wait, let me adjust my screen again because it is not the exact way. I think like this. No, let me go down a little bit. Exactly.
Yeah. So the third.
Yes, wait. Okay, so now can you please read what I summarized?
Okay. So just to start with uh using focus groups to review pieces of work, uh, provide some collective in
Collective.
collective, sorry, input to help uh, with whatever you're researching.
You can say to help with researching.
You can say, yeah, with
Yes.
researching
Uh-huh.
first ideal number
Mm-hmm.
of uh, participant
Participant. Participants.
participant six
Is.
of or seven if it is bigger
Mm-hmm.
is they break the into side conversations and the focus loose
Mm-hmm. Is
if it
lost.
is lost if it is similarly
Mm-hmm. If it is
you
small or smaller.
smaller
Mm-hmm.
you may not get the range of views to
Mm-hmm.
get good discussion.
Mm-hmm.
Secondly, you have a moderator
Mm-hmm.
for the group
Yes.
to facilitate
Facilitate.
facilitate and
Guide
guide the discussion
discussions.
discussions, ensure
To ensure,
that
this is it,
yeah, ensure that everyone participa
participates.
participates and stop anyone mm,
Dominating.
dominating, and
Controlling.
to make sure
Mm.
that the
Discussions.
discussions do don't go off.
Exactly.
Third, finally, some basic materials should be used to kick start the
Discussions.
discussions in the form of
Mm. Yes.
pictures, photos, diag diagram,
Diagrams.
diagrams, graphs, etc.
Mm-hmm.
to understanding to understand the context of
Context.
what context of what needs to be discussed.
Yes, this is it exactly. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Now, Ali, let me show you the main points, the keywords that you have to write in your note paper. Okay. Because
yeah,
I told you that you have 10 seconds just to be ready, and you have to take notes while the speaker is speaking. Now, let me show you the information that you have to write in your note paper, okay? Or on your
yeah.
note paper. Now, on your note paper, you have to write this is number one. Let me change the color. This is the first word you have to write on the note paper that is in front of you. Why? Because this is the topic. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have to write one. The main point in tip one is what an ideal number of participants. This is the first keyword. The second keyword is what a mediator. So you have to write here a mediator. Three, finally, the third tip is what? Some basic materials. This is exactly what you have to write on the paper note, which I have to call them what? Keywords. Okay? Now, if you want to start speaking, you have to take a look at the first one, which is using focus groups. You have to talk about this information. After finishing talking about focus groups, you have to take a look at the first step. You have to talk about an ideal number of participants. When you finish, take a look at the second tip, which is a mediator. Now you have to talk about this information, which is about mediator. Finally, three, you have to take a look at some basic materials, and you have to talk about this information, which is about some basic materials. Okay?
Okay.
And finally, Ali, you have to follow the chronological order. What do I mean? Don't start talking with the third step here, then jumping to talk about the first step, then finally just to talk about the second step. This is wrong. Okay?
Yeah,
Follow,
so step by step, start
yeah,
one, two,
exactly.
three.
Follow the chronological order, and all the time you have to do exactly what the speaker did. Okay?
So
Okay, Ali?
this is the speaker what he given the answer, yeah?
Exactly. This is what exactly the speaker said.
Okay.
Okay? So this is what you have to write on the paper note, and this is what you have to say just to be able to get a good score in the PTE exam. Okay?
Okay.
Now I think,
So
ah,
when the sorry, when the speaker
yes.
like start to okay, so when the speaker start to talk about the picture, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we get the main ideas
Mm-hmm.
and we need to discuss the picture, yeah?
Not the picture, the lecture.
The lecture, sorry.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
first of all, Ali, you have to take a look at the picture just to understand and expect the topic. Okay. We can notice that by taking a look at the picture, we can notice that we have a group of people. They are discussing something. Am I right?
Yeah.
Then, after that, the recording starts. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you have 10 seconds to be ready to speak about the information. Okay. Now, after
Okay.
listening to the recording and after fully listening to the recording, now I have 10 seconds. In this 10 seconds, Ali, you have to arrange the ideas. You have to arrange yourself to arrange the vocab because as I told you, I don't have to use the same vocab the lecturer used. You can find synonyms, antonyms all the time. After this 10 seconds, you can start speaking. All the time, if you want to speak, take a look at the note paper that is in front of you because, as we said, you have to follow the chronological order. Okay?
Yeah.
Absolutely. If you can write more details in the note paper while the speaker is speaking, this is better for you just to be able to give as much information as you can.
But on the PTE exam, so just you see the picture, this one. Not you don't
Yeah, absolutely. The transcript is not going to be shown, Ali. Okay?
yeah.
Exactly. I told you that now I'm showing the transcript just to make it little easier in the beginning, but please be careful that in the final exam, you only have to take a look at the picture while listening. This is it. Like this. Like this exactly. Okay? The picture is going to be shown, and absolutely the boxes that we mentioned. Wait. The boxes that we mentioned about this is it. This is exactly the screen that is going to be shown in front of you, Ali. Okay? So this
Okay.
is the picture. This is the laptop or the computer screen. This is the picture. These are the instructions. This box, as we said, is about audio status box. You can control the volume. If the recording is not that clear, you can raise the volume up. And this is you recording. And here you have, as we said, you have 40 seconds to finish retelling a lecture. Okay?
Okay.
After finishing, you can press next to the next task. So this is it. This is exactly what is going to be shown in
Yeah.
front of you. And this is exactly what you have to do. But as we said, Ali, absolutely, you will see no word on the screen. Only you have to listen and you have to focus on the words the speaker is going to say. Okay?
Okay.
So now, do you need more practice or it's enough?
I think it's enough for today.
Ah, you know what, Ali? I have a plan.
Yeah.
What do you think? Wait, I think I have a good plan now. What do you think to send you a picture with the recording of the lecture about the picture? I need you to prepare your answer.
Okay.
Okay? I think
Yeah.
it's a good plan. Again, I'm going to send a picture and the recording of the lecture of the picture. And please, because we are practicing and you can listen to the recording whatever you want. Okay?
Okay.
But try
It's a
to
good idea.
fully,
Yeah.
yeah, try to fully understand the lecture to listen to the speaker again and over again to understand the point, the main ideas. Then please try to practice speaking, practice summarization. Then the next class, we can meet just to check if you fully. Uh,
Yeah,
uh, I think this is a good plan. What do you think?
yeah, good plan.
I'm going to do it. And please, Ali, the main point is practicing. Practice, 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 please.
Yeah,
Okay?
okay,
And I think the next week we will start talking about a new task.
okay.
So, do you have any questions before leaving? I'm
Yeah,
going to
just a
upload.
last question. My
Yes.
wife, she said to me about the vocab you want to before
Holy God,
you.
I forgot. I totally forgot. Let me check.
If
Maybe the book is on my desktop. Wait. Um. No. Yes, I promised her just to send the book of vocab, but I totally forgot. Forgive me.
no
I'm
worries.
going to send everything now, Ali. Okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you. If
Okay,
you can
so
send to me on my WhatsApp, thank you very much.
I will. And it is useful for you, not only for your wife.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yes, yes. Okay.
yeah.
So
And don't forget to send me as well the picture with the what do you call the.
I will not.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice night and thank you so
Have a
much.
great day.
Bye
See you.
bye bye bye.
Bye bye bye.